Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3, playing with numbers. In that exercise 3.3, the first question is given: write the missing numbers in the factor tree. Write the missing numbers in the factor tree for 90. Okay, the question first one is given 90, again 10 of the empty circle is given here, 10 nines are, and again we write it as 2, and the empty circle is given 3, and the empty circle is given. This is the first question. And the second question is given 90, that is 30 into, the empty circle is given, and here also 10 of empty circle is given, and again given two empty circles like this. Okay, students, this is our question. Write the missing numbers in the factor tree for 90. So the first question and second question. Here given first 90, we can express it as 10 nines are 90. Yes, 10 nines are 90. And 10 again we can express it as, here given 2 5s are, if I write here 5, 2 5s are 10. Again 9 we can express it as, here already 3 is there, 3 3s are. So we can express like this. Okay, na? And now coming to the next question, 90, we are given in first circle 30. You know 30 is a factor of 90, and 90 is exactly divisible by 30. So 33s are 90. Again 30, clearly here given 10. 10 is a factor of 30, and 30 is exactly divisible by 10. 10 3s are 30, and here given 2 empty. 10 factor 1 I am taking, that is 2, because of 10 is exactly divisible by 5. So exactly divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. So like this we can fill the empty boxes. And I just want to say one more problem in this model. You take any composite number, okay now, you take any composite number, means which is having more than 2 factors. I'm taking my one question here, 54. Okay, it is a composite number. I'm writing its prime factors. Three 18s are 54. The factor tree rastunnanu. 3 18s are 54. Again 18 we can express it as 3 6s are 18. Again 6 we can express it as 3 2s are. So like this you take any composite numbers and make it a factor tree. Make it as a factor tree. So this is the first question answer. And the second question is given: factorize 84 by division method. The second question is given: factorize 84 by division method. Okay, now see its solution. Just now factor tree method completed. Now division method. Okay, you should take 84 and you must use only prime numbers division method. 2, I'm taking 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, means 2 42s are 84. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, so 2 21s are 42. Next I'm taking 3, prime number only. 3 7s are 21. Again I'm taking 7, 7 1s are 7. So we can write 84, that is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So in division method we can write the factors of 84 like this. I mean, we can factorize prime factors 2 3 7. Clearly these are prime factors of here 84. Okay students, now the next question number 3, that is given, write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in the form of prime factors. Question number 3, the greatest 4-digit number. 4-digit number. What, Nana? We know what is the greatest 4-digit number. The greatest 4-digit number is, that is 9999. Yes, the smallest 4-digit number is, that is 1000. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the greatest 4-digit number is 9990. If we add 1 to this, we get the smallest 5-digit number. Deeniki 1 add cheyandi, you will get the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, so let us come to our question. The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Write it prime factors. Deeniki manam prime factors rayali. Okay, so I'm taking here 9999. I'm using division method. Clearly all are 9s only, so we can use 3. Prime factors annappudu must use only prime numbers. Okay na? So 3 is a prime number. 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 3s are, means 3333 are 9999. Again I'm using 3 only. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 1s are. So okay, 3 1111 sir, that is 3333. So next, which prime number is useful here? Ikkada vere prime number edi use avutundi. 5 is not usable because here ones place digit is, what ra? That is 1. That's why it is not usable. So like that we are checking, means the required prime number is 13. 13 divisible avutundi. Let us check it. 13 7s are 91. That is, we get 13 8s are 104 వస్తుంది. We get that is 111 minus 104 means that is 7 1. 13 5s are 65. 13 6 are 78. Means 13 తో కూడా పాసిబుల్ అవ్వట్లేదు. సో 7 తో చెక్ చేద్దాం. I'm taking 7. 7 is a prime number now. 7 1s are 7. 11 minus 7, that is 4. Carry down 1. 7 6 are 42. 7 5s are 35. Minus means we get that is 6 and 1. 61. So 61 also not divisible. So by checking the numbers, ila manam prime numbers check chesukovali. Okay. Okay, so by checking 7 also not possible. Next one more prime number 11 check cheddam. which is possible or not? యా 11 క్లియర్గా పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. అలా ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. 11 tens are 11 tens are we get 110. Here 1 is there, here 1. 11 ones are 11. So like this 1111 using 11 table. 11 tens are 110. So that is we get 1 and carry down again 1. 11 ones are 11. So clearly we get what now? Remainder is 0. 11 101s are. Okay now. Again 101 ones are 101. So these are the prime numbers. The prime factors. The prime factors of 9999, that is equals to what? 3 into 11 into 101. Okay na? So like this you can express. Now one more question, that is fourth question. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. The question is given, I am the smallest number. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? Can you find? Okay students, now see, read the question carefully. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. 4 different prime factors ఉంటాయంట. It is the smallest number. So that's why what I am doing here, I want to take a smallest prime factors. Smallest prime factors of a number. ఇక్కడ స్మాలెస్ట్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా వాటి ప్రోడక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? we get the smallest number. Okay, with having different prime factors. That's why the different smallest prime factors, or prime, smallest primes తీసుకున్నాం present, or that is 2, 3, 5, 7. So these are the 4 different primes. Okay na? Smallest primes. So their product 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, clearly 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 37s are, that is 21 means that is 210. So this is the number, the smallest number having 4 different prime factors means that is 210. Is it clear? So ఇలా find out చేసుకోవచ్చు. This is the required answer for the question 210. 2 1s are, 2 0s are, 2 5s are, 2 105s are 210, 5 2s are, 5 1s are, 5 21s are 105, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are. So clearly we get these are what are 4 different prime factors. So this is the smallest number. So this is the required answer for this question. Thank you.